Effect of technology in the environment. I am health administration student. My name is Diana Marcela Castañeda. Today, global warming is a very controversial topic. We see that the world is being hurt more and more by human health. The population grows every day, causing more environmental pollution. The procedures not friendly to the environment of large industry can affect deforestation, industrialization of the ozone layer, land degradation, scarcity of natural resources, disease, etc. Everyone is control of their of destiny. The future belongs to us. We have known what to do for several years. The problem is we haven't done it yet. However, I'm optimistic when I look to the future because I see a new generation rebelling, creating new practice and important business model to reduce this problem. In the same way, I believe that we cannot do this alone. We need the main actors and cause of the problem. Countries and our government must take drastic innovation, measure and norms and use it policy agreement they are used. In addition, technology also plays an important role. These technologies are hit to design and create goods or services they lead to the protection of environment. From this, there must be change on production and consumption system, and for less companies the implementation of this technology is fair. We have a lot of methods for this, such as recycled, clean technology, the development of new forms of energy that friendly to the environment such as solar and wind energy, new means of transport, environment education, etc. Let us be clear that all economic activities are for and survive defense of natural biodiversity and climate stability. Let's promote a lifestyle where society is more equitable, support and use. Thank you for watching.